Welcome back to our QuickBooks Desktop series. In this session, we are going to dive into recording sales and managing invoices. By the end of this video, you will know how to create invoices, issue sales receipts, and manage your customer list effectively. Okay, let's get started. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe Accounts Tutor YouTube channel for more videos like this one. First, let's talk about creating invoices. In QuickBooks, invoices are used when you sell products or services on credit. To create an invoice, what you should do is you have to start by navigating to the customers menu and selecting create invoices like this. This will open the invoice window. You can see like this. Here you will need to fill out several fields. Let's go through them one by one. At the top, select customer or job from the drop-down list. You can see it like this. So if your customer isn't in the list yet, you can quickly add them by selecting add new. You can see a link called add new. So there you can set up new customer. So here I have added already several customers. Next, what you should do is you need to set the invoice date. This is the date when the invoice is created. QuickBooks will automatically set it today like this, but you can change it if you need. So you can change date. So QuickBooks default the date, but you can choose another date like this. Now let's add the products or services you are invoicing for. In the item column, select the product or service from drop-down list like this. So here I am going to select this item. Enter the quantity. So here just say quantity is 3. Rate. So I have already given the rate and amount. QuickBooks will calculate the total for you here. QuickBooks has calculate the total. If you need to add more items, simply click on the next row. So if you want to add another item, just click like this. Okay. Likewise, you can add more items. And repeat the process. You can also apply discounts or sales tax if applicable. Once you have added all the items, review the total amount at the bottom. If everything looks good, you can save and send invoice to your customer by clicking save and close or save and send. That is how create an invoice in QuickBooks Desktop. Now let's move on to sales receipts. So now let's see how to record a sales receipt. So here, if you want to record a sales receipt, okay. So sales receipts are used when you receive payment at the time of sale. To create a sales receipt, again you need to go to Customers menu and select Enter Sales Receipts. Here you can see an option called Enter Sales Receipts. Now you can see a window like this. The sales receipt window is similar to the invoice window. Select the customer. So here again you need to select the customer from this drop down. enter the sales date. So here you can select sales date like this and add items sold. So here again you can add sold items. Okay, QuickBooks will calculate the total for you. Okay, like this. Review the total, and if everything looks good, save the sales receipt by saving, click and close. So here I want to say other thing. Since the payment is received immediately in sales receipt, you also need to specify the payment method. So here you can see payment methods: cash, check or credit card, and the account where the payment will be deposited. Okay, here you can see you can add new payment method. So here I select cash. Now I'm going to click save and close. If you want to add more receipts, then you have to select save and new. So that is it for creating sales receipts. Finally, let's talk about managing customers. So how to manage customers? That's very important. To manage your customer list, again you need to go to the customers menu and select customer center. Okay, shortcut is Ctrl J. So here you can see it opens customer center. Here you will see a list of all your customers along with their contact information, open balance and transaction history. You can add new customers. Okay, here you can add new customers or edit existing ones like this and view detailed information about the transaction. To add new customer, okay, to add new customer, click on new customer and job. Here you have to click new customer and job and button and select new customer. Fill out necessary information and click OK. So you have to fill out necessary information and then you have to click OK to save the record. To edit an existing customer, double click on their name. Okay, to edit this customer, you need to double click on this customer. So once you double click on this customer, what happens? It opens for edit. Okay, again, to edit an existing customer, double click on their name, make the necessary changes and click OK to save. Okay, once you make the necessary adjustments, then you need to click OK to save the record, to update the record. Managing your customers effectively ensures that you have accurate reports and can provide better service. Now you know how to create invoices, issue sales receipts and manage your customers list in the QuickBooks Desktop. Thanks for watching. In our next session, we will cover managing expenses and bills. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I release new videos. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you next time. Thank you.